4 days later.
Wow, we have returned. Yeah. And what is it? Rhino? Look, a new character, our new friend. Who is it? Hey guys, I am the Happy Racer. I am the greatest happy racer in the world. And I am ready to fight the evil for you guys. Hooray! Yes, and I'm happy. Yes, you're joining us. Yay! Don't worry, I'll be right back. I'm gonna wear this like the mysterious force. I'll be right back. Okay, good luck with that. Verb, does anyone seen Chewbacca? The Wookiees want to lay eggs. Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to the brand new episode of Woody Woodpecker Racing. And not I'll be shut up. No, just keep talking. So anyways, we are moving into a brand new race stadium called Race Around Rock. And today, Woody, Jake, Big Bad Wolf, and we got a brand new racer, the annoying orange, are gonna challenge the free little cherries. Now, let's go to the track. Roll it. Okay. Brand new racer is the annoying orange and the free little cherry.
Good luck, Orange.
Okay, Passion, I'm waiting for you.
And I'll blow the cherries out of the cart. Okay, I'm ready. Hey, Woody. I've made the best cartoon ones.
Thank you, Lindsay. Anytime.
Yes, and I'm ready to go.
Hey, Woody! Yes, cherries?
I just want to say that we love you, cartoon.
Really? Nope.
Oh, I get it.
Sorry I was late. I was asking Chef about the problem here. So anyways, here's Lindsay.
Let's do it first. Okay. On your marks, get set, go.
Oh, and there goes all the racers. Whee!
Yes, I am going. Wait, I'm all of gas?
Darn it!
I'm doing it. Wait, why are my carts not starting?
Wait a minute. Who is the fool that using them as a pen when the gas comes out?
Good thing we use the pen. Thank you, Practical Cherry. Anytime. Now let's go win the race.
Hey, look, he's cheating.
Yeah, shall we phone him, Jake?
Yeah, let's go. Oh, how can I get this out? Okay. Now go.
Thank you, Lindsay.
And Woody has finally fixed the problem.
How long is gonna take Jake, the annoying orange, and Woody Woodpecker are gonna defeat the three little cherries? 4, I guess. Huh. I don't know. I don't know too. They want to do now? I don't know. Don't just ignore them, SpongeBob. I hope Woody won't die this time. Yeah, because I'll be mean and run. Dude, don't be such ridiculous, Mommy Explosion.
See.
Tell me about it. I have joined myself on the dark side. Okay, yes. Okay, it's about to start. Right, I get a call. Come on. Okay. Now call. Huh? Hello? Hey, this is me, Lucius Haynes the Sevens. Can you send my thoughts to race? Sorry, I'm not gonna do the mood right now because I'm keeping an eye on your workers. Oh, you are? Oh, see? So it's time for a break. Do you hear that? He's taking a break. No! I did not give you a break. It's break for us. Now get to work. Sorry about that. Don't worry. Apology accepted. Okay. Sounds good to me. Oh, sorry. I gotta go. Okay, bye. Okay. Lucius, what's he saying? He's saying that he's gonna keep an eye on my workers. Oh, okay then.
Okay, time. Reassemble the Wookiee. What the heck? Why is there a reason why that I'm making upset to the Wookiee? Doesn't matter.
What? Hey, what happened to your mustache?
The monster is still wear it.
It was too powerful to handle.
Now you tell me.
Hey guys,
Hey guys, why am I supposed to with this and oil?
Just any longer, just doing this.
Oh, okay then.
first place my brother is.
Practical or Joe? Oh no! Cherry, so are you guys okay? Woody, come closer. Yeah, what is it? Hey, Boardful! Wow, whoa, guys, you guys lost the race. Oh, that means you guys crashed up your car, so that means the race is over. Woody wins!